Okay, so this is a sample doodle drawn with a 0.5 millimeter Uni Shu F graphite lead. So let's see how this works in action. Let's just move these guys to the side. And I think I've gotten a few requests to draw or do a tutorial on how to do a transformer seeker. So let's see if I can do my G1 design. So typically these guys have the facial plate resembling a human. They have these sort of helmets that look like, to me, like football players, I guess. Like the Seekers, like Starscream and there's a Thundercracker and such. So fairly, I guess, round sort of helmets. So they have the helmet head and they have this sort of triangular shoulder pads. They then have a fairly bulky, like a F-14 cockpit embedded in their chest. So as I'm trying to build the body of the transformer, I ended up deciding to use light lead like this F grade. And I can see that this is getting a little bit too long. And then make the massive legs. So typically the Seekers have these rectangular forearms and their fists, and they have this, like, I guess, rocket launchers or missiles connected to their forearms. So make a shoulder cylinder and then foreshorten box, and then you have the fist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then attach another, I guess, laser sight. Can shade that a little bit more, and then you would, let's move this. I don't know why I have this little card on the side, but this is just a watercolor pencil sketch. So then we can shade this other side of the transformer on this end, and then to complete him he need to have his wings that typically get upside down. So it's like an upside down triangle, I guess. And then you could put either missiles or lasers or some sort of logo to indicate their alliance. That was just the basic sketch without any shading in about 5 minutes. So that's it for this next video. I use this little mechanical pencil, the Pentel Graph Gear 1000, and the neat thing about it is that you can retract the tip. See, if you push this pocket clip, poof, it's inside. You can retract the lead and then push it back in. So it doesn't bend. Plus it looks like pretty cool. So that's about it. I guess 4 minutes and a half. And there's the sample sketch again.